Well, hey guys, it's 7-7. I just finished glassing the nose of my Libelle here. Now, one of the reasons I decided to do this is because on my Alula, when I've had a couple of hard hits, it actually shattered the nose. So because I have a lot of weight in the front of the nose of the Libelle, I decided to maybe trade off some of that weight for some strength, which is probably always a good idea. So I've glassed the whole nose of this thing. Now in the first step, you're going to see me put some denatured alcohol into the mix. This is a 5-minute epoxy. You can thin it out a little bit with epoxy, but I think I put way too much denatured alcohol in there. So anyway guys, I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Okay guys, so first steps first is we are sanding obviously the nose of the airplane. I pre-did a lot of this, so I just kind of sanded it there a little bit just to show you guys, and it does help to clean off the nose with some denatured alcohol before you get started. I have my 5-minute epoxy there, and we're going to get started. Use equal parts of both. I've already cut out my sheet of fiberglass. Now a note on the fiberglass, I used a little bit too heavy of fiberglass. It didn't conform as well as I would have liked, so if you can, use the lightest fiberglass that you can that will conform around the nose of the airplane, because you'll see in the video here it doesn't lay down as nice as I'd like. It still wants to kind of bend up. And here's the point where I add way too much denatured alcohol. I put 3 eyedroppers full, and it makes about as runny as maple syrup or so. It's maybe a little bit too runny. I just pour a little bit over, and you just basically start spreading it out. You can see how it starts getting really dark and incorporated, so you just use your gloved hands to move that around. You just make sure that it all gets saturated. Doing a thin coat like this is actually a good idea with the denatured alcohol. Now, the denatured alcohol takes a 5-minute epoxy, and it definitely makes the setting time a lot longer, more like about an hour, hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. In my case, with this specific epoxy that I use. You can see there I put some cuts in the fiberglass to help dart the material, so it wasn't so it wasn't being prevented from laying down. And here I am after everything is cured, and I'm cutting off the epoxy. Now you can stop here and you'd still gain a lot of strength here, but I'm going to continue on. I'm going to add another layer and some fiberglass, and I'm not going to put the denatured alcohol in it this time because I'm impatient. I want it to set. So, and it makes it a little bit thicker, the finished result, and not quite as smooth looking as it is here. So if you want a smooth looking finish, you can add the denatured alcohol once again, and it makes it run and stay a little thinner. So the amount of epoxy and fiberglass that I added here ended up adding up to about 1/4 ounce weight that I took out of the nose, and you guys will see that at the end here. So what you're trying to do here is just make everything look as smooth as possible. You can actually take a paper towel and run it down there to make it look really, really smooth. Anyway, we're coming to the end here. This is the finished product, and I'm about to start talking on the video here. So there it is. It's nice and balanced with taking out that one weight. So take care, guys. Well, alright guys, this is the result of my Libelle. I haven't quite finished all the edges on it. It's a little bit of a scrunchy looking piece right there, but if you take a look at it here, nice and shiny. If I wanted to smooth this out a little bit, I mean, it actually is quite smooth. You're just picking up a lot of the light here. But it's nice and shiny and smooth. And basically I was able to take out one of the weights that was in the nose of this airplane. As you can see, I've got 2 weights on either side of the battery, and also there's a weight underneath this piece of Velcro as well. So I was able to take out the 3rd weight that was here, that was replaced by this fiberglassing that I did. So anyway guys, hope you liked the video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.